Hey guys, today we're diving into a full review of Kling AI's image-to-video feature, which is one of the most exciting tools I've tested recently. If you've ever wanted to turn a single static image into a dynamic, eye-catching video, this is exactly what this tool promises to do, and it actually delivers in a lot of ways. Kling AI is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you don't have any video editing experience, you can jump in and start creating right away. The process starts by uploading an image directly into the platform. From there, you get a variety of options to customize your video. You can add camera movements, adjust the direction and speed of the animation, apply different visual styles, and even add text or audio. The AI interprets the image and automatically generates smooth transitions and realistic motion, giving your content a professional look without the steep learning curve of traditional video editing software. One of the biggest strengths of Kling AI is its speed and quality. Videos are generated quickly, usually in just a few minutes, and the final output is crisp and visually appealing. The platform gives you control over aspects like the length of the video, the style of movement, and the intensity of effects, which is great if you want to create something for social media or a presentation. You can also add music or voiceovers directly within the platform, which really helps elevate your content and make it more engaging. Another advantage is the ease of experimentation. Because the AI handles most of the heavy lifting, you can try multiple styles or movements in a short amount of time. This is especially useful for content creators who need to produce a variety of videos quickly or test which animations resonate most with their audience. The interface is clean and intuitive with clear buttons and instructions, so there's virtually no steep learning curve. That said, there are a few minor drawbacks. Depending on the complexity of the image and the animation style you select, the AI can sometimes exaggerate motion or slightly distort elements of the original picture. While this isn't a deal breaker, it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for completely precise output. Also, advanced users might miss having more detailed manual controls over each frame or motion path, but for most creators, the automatic generation is more than sufficient. In summary, Kling AI's image-to-video feature is a powerful and versatile tool for anyone looking to turn still images into dynamic video content. It's perfect for social media creators, marketers, or anyone who wants to add a new dimension to their visuals quickly. The AI makes the process fast, intuitive, and surprisingly professional looking, which is impressive for a platform that doesn't require any prior editing skills. Whether you want to create short clips for Instagram, YouTube, or any other platform, this tool can save you a ton of time while producing high-quality results. Overall, I'm really impressed with Kling AI. It's easy to use, fast, and produces videos that are engaging and visually appealing. If you're looking to bring your images to life and experiment with AI-powered video creation, Kling AI's image-to-video tool is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more AI tool reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials and insights.